Alright, so today we're going to make a potential energy spinner. In this kit is a bottle lid, 2 stickers, 2 paper clips, 2 rubber bands, and 2 pieces of tape. And what I've done is bend the tape back already to get prepared. And the first thing you do, and you also need a ballpoint pen with a cap and a pair of scissors if you choose to cut around your sticker afterwards. What you do first is loop your rubber bands, pull slightly to make them stay, and attach them to one of the 2 paper clips. Then you take your bottle and pinch the rubber band. You don't have to put pressure on it, but just hold it like this, and you'll want to feed it through the hole. You want to keep the strands together because if they separate, it won't want to feed in. And one thing you can do is let gravity help you by turning the bottle upside down, and that works a lot. If you have any trouble with the knot at all, you can use the tip of your ballpoint pen to help it through. But it's very important to let gravity work for you and to keep the strands together and feed them through. You want to feed the strands all the way through so that the paper clip lies flat to the bottom of the bottle. And this will help you be able to retrieve the rubber bands when you go to hook them and bring them down to the bottom of the bottle. So now I'm holding my paper clip on. I get my piece of tape. I put the small piece of tape on the bottom to secure the paper clip. You have to have one end of the paper clip secured so that you can wind up the spinner and create the potential energy. So now I have it upside down. I give it a good shake. I take my ballpoint pen, and while I'm giving it a shake, I try to get the pen wrapped around the rubber band. This may take a couple of tries, but scientists are very, very persevering. Almost got it. And there it is. Okay, so now as you can see, the rubber band is hooked on the cap of the ballpoint pen. Next, what I do is I uncurl the other paper clip so that there's a hook shape. And I substitute the hook for the ballpoint pen. Take this off, put this on. And I crimp the end a little bit here so that the rubber band's gonna stay. Take the inside of the lid and stick the straight paper clip through it. And then what you want to do is bend the paper clip so that it's almost at a right angle, but just maybe a little bit bigger than what a corner or a box would be. So just a little bit like that. And screw the bottle lid on, and you are ready to do the top of your spinner. Crimp just a little bit of this paper clip so that it makes something, and if your paper clip tries to go back down in there, you can just make it more of a right angle here. Bend it a little bit further so that it stays. So you don't want it like trying to slip down in there. It'll keep it from spinning. So you help it by making the angle like as it needs to be for your spinner. And take the sticker. I'm going to lay it down flat with the sticky side up and just like put this in between. Or you can hold it as well and just stick it on there. And take the other sticker. and I face it sticky side to sticky side and put them together. Now what I can do is take my large piece of tape and I'll lay that on the table, sticky side up as well. And then just get the sticker stuck on there. Fold it over. And if you wish, you can cut away any sharp edges with a pair of scissors. It also makes the spinning part lighter if you cut around it. So then you wind it up with your fingers, and once you have the rubber band good and tight, you let it go. Winding it up with your fingers is making potential energy, and letting it go, the energy turns into kinetic energy. So that's how you make a potential energy spinner. Enjoy your kit and feel free to share your creations on our social media or using hashtag KCKBL. Thanks.